Hi, today I'll show you how to add music to your story on Instagram. Swipe right on your feed's home screen to open the Stories feature. Take or select the photo or video you want to post to your story. In the menu bar along the top of your screen, tap the square smiley face icon. In the pop-up, tap the music option. Then in the search box that appears, type in a song title or scroll through the listed options. Tap on the song you want to include when it appears on the list. Drag the small bar at the bottom of the screen to adjust the segment of the song you want in your story. You can also tap the number icon to adjust the clip duration. Tap Done when finished. Then post your story as you normally would. That's it! Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe for more updates.